In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. If size of your font is too big, too small, or just not right, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to change it. Start by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to click on Display. Then scroll again, this time to click on Font Size and Style. Now operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. I can assure you it will work for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!